Hi, we're Group 13. My name is Jacob Kim. My teammates are Jake Maharis and Chase Johnson, and our project is EcoDex.
And so the American education system has failed to translate classroom knowledge into pro-environmental behavior. So our team took up the challenge to build an interactive tool that helps people understand, explore, or learn about an environmental or ecological issue.
So the inspiration for our project was from the origins of Pokemon, and Pokemon was created as a way to get kids excited about exploring the environment and learning about animals and different species. And on top of that, the Pokédex was a device within that game that allowed for the tracking and exploration of those animals and Pokemon to be done within the game. And talking about our prototype, we have a camera that is able to scan the animals and then send that data through a micro SD data transfer to a computer where a computer vision model, we used YOLO to detect the animal, and then it gets spit back out to the LCD display with the facts about the animals.
So when taking a look at the market, we found a gap in not using identification, but using an interactive ecological education system. So the current apps in the market only show what species people are seeing on their iPhone, where our EcoDex fills this gap by looking at three key factors displayed on screen and turning animal recognition into an interactive ecological learning experience.
Some values that we found were to help children and other people foster a community of curiosity and wonder to go out into their environments and to explore their local ecosystems. Environmental awareness really helps and really has a big impact. Blue whales, for example, were nearly hunted to extinction, but through environmental and awareness and conservation efforts, they have been brought back. Some pivotal moments. We had to understand the scope of the project. 24 hours is not a lot of time, and the ESP32 kits that we were given don't have everything in the world that we need. So we needed to understand which features were critical to our project and those that would be nice for the future. This is our system architecture. Here on the left is an example of a picture taken through the camera module. We have the YOLO integration in the middle that detects and tells you what animals there are. And on the right, we have our LCD display of the conservation status and the effect on the ecosystem the animal has. For the future, we'd like to improve our specs, get more user interaction, and help with accessibility by adding a sound module. We'd like to build our own models and expand it, including some plants and vegetation.
Adventure is closer than you think. There is a bison population at Battelle Darby Creek Metro Park in Ohio, about 30 minutes away, and we encourage you to go explore.
Thank you.